suppose principal is 1000 rupees and rate is 16%. Okay, and I'm taking time as 2 years. 2 years. In that case, we know that for 2 years, it's 2 and 1. तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं? अब आप देखो, 2 यहाँ लिखेंगे और 1 यहाँ लिखेंगे. ठीक है. What is the first step? You find percentage into rate and tell me how much is it.
सर
Yes.
आपने जो 2 और 1 लिखा है वो टाइम लिखा है 1 year and 2 years.
No. That is multiplication वाला factor thing. We are going to multiply with that. इसको हम अलग अभी छोड़ देते हैं. It's 2 1. So first step is you find principal into rate percent. How much is that?
16,000. No, by 100.
How much?
160.
1600.
160. 1600 कैसे होगा?
नहीं होगा सर.
ठीक है. 160 हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Now you find 160 का 16%. कितना होगा? 160 का 16%.
256.
256 तो नहीं होना चाहिए. 25.6 होगा ना?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, how?
160 into 16 by 100. How much is it?
256.
By 10.
20.8. 25.06.
25.6. 25.6. Okay. This was first step. हमने क्या किया? प्रिंसिपल का रेट परसेंट निकाला, जो आया उसका फिर रेट परसेंट निकाला, वो यहाँ लिख दिया. आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस फर्स्ट वन विथ 2 and this second one with 1 and right here and then add everything. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 320.
320. Yes, sir.
and ये कितना हो जाएगा? ये होगा
25.6.
25.6. Now add everything. That is your answer. That is compound interest.
सर हमने into 2 into 1 कैसे लिया था?
यहाँ से फर्स्ट वन को हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सेकेंड को 1 से.
सर हमने पिछली बार कुछ SR पढ़ा था.
SR भी से भी कर सकते हैं.
इसमें
SR, हाँ, same question we can do using SR also, but SR के लिए टाइम पीरियड should be 2 years. हाँ, यहाँ 2 years है. हम SR से भी इसको कर सकते हैं, but हम इससे करेंगे because this is easier. SR will take much time. So first step, find 10% of this. Write down here 160. Multiply this with 2. Then 16% of this amount, 25.6. Multiply with 1. So this will be 320, and this will be 25.6. And then
Yes.
add everything. That is your answer. 0.653. This is the answer. Okay. अब क्या क्या याद रखना है? This was compounded yearly. If in the same question they say compounded half yearly, in that case, how many half years will be in 2 years?
4.
4. In that case, we'll multiply time with 2 and we'll divide rate with 2. So rate will become 8%, time will become 4. ठीक है? If compounded quarterly, then
divided by 4.
this will divide rate by 4 and multiply time
by 4.
4. ठीक है? If compounded monthly, then
into 12.
Into 12 and divided by 12.
Yes. चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं अब.
Sir, in that method that you told 2 and 1, for
the 3 years, 4 years, it is the one that you mentioned above, right? The 331.
Yes. 3314641. And they will not ask you more than 4 years. So don't worry about that. Rarely they will ask 4 years. Mostly they ask 2 years or 3 years. Or they can ask in fraction, 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, 4 months, like this. Find the compound interest on 10,000 at 8% per annum for 6 months, compounded quarterly. Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog?
Narendra Modi.
Now, in this question, principal amount is fixed 10,000 rupees. Rate is 8%, but remember it's compounded quarterly, so it will become 2%.
2%.
Okay. And in 6 months, how many quarter?
24. No, 2.
2 quarter. And when time is 2, formula is 2, 1. 2 and then 1. First step, find principal and rate. Now this is the rate. Principal and rate, how much? Principal into rate, how much?
800.
200.
800, sir.
10,000 into 2%.
200.
200. 200. This 200 will be multiplied with 2, so it will become 400. Okay, 2% of 200?
4.
4. This 4 will be multiplied to 1 because formula is 2, 1. Now add everything, that is your answer.
Option 1.
404. आया समझ में क्या किया हमने?
Yes, sir.
सर समझ में आया पर याद नहीं रहता.
नहीं, ये तो याद रखना पड़ेगा, इतना मुश्किल काम तो नहीं है.
यस सर.
आपने
इस टॉपिक से कितने क्वेश्चंस आते हैं B.Des में?
एक देखो, फिक्स नहीं है कि इसी से आएगा. इधर SI और CI, इन दोनों में से किसी एक में से एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. नॉट फॉर BF Tech के लिए इससे भी एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, इससे भी एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. फॉर अदर कोर्सेज they will ask one question either from SI or CI, not fixed. They will decide. ठीक है?
Sir,
हाँ जी, yes.
sir, आपने rate 8% से 2% क्यों नहीं?
हाँ, because it's written compounded quarterly and rate is 8% per annum yearly. If rate is 8% yearly, what will be the rate quarterly? 2%. Rate 8% तो per annum है ना, we want quarterly, so rate is 2%. Same way, time is 6 months, so in 6 months there is 2 quarter. Time is 2 quarter, 2. तो हमें compounded yearly, compounded half yearly, quarterly के according rate और time को रखना है. In this question, first you find compound interest for 2 years, and then for the next 4 months we are going to find simple interest. First step, find compound interest for 2 years.
So for
Yes,
2 years, it's 1 to 1, right?
I don't know, I have to check. So it's compounded annually. So we are not going to change anything. Principal will be 8,000.
Rate will be
Rate will be
15%.
15% and time will be 2.
2 years.
Okay. Now we are going to find compound interest for this. बाद में हम 4 महीने का पता करेंगे. So 15% of 800, how much?
So 8,000.
120.
8,000, sir.
120.
120. And 15% of 120.
180.
120. Pakka.
Sir, it's 8,000, sir. It's not
Yes,
8,000.
sir. It will be 1,200, not 120.
Yes, sir. It will be 1200.
Yes, sir.
1200.
ठीक है.
180.
Yeah, 180.
So how much is
2580.
this?
Sir,
2580 is
2580.
the compound interest for 2 years, right? 2580 is the compound interest for 2 years. We have to find for 2 years and 4 months. ऑप्शन से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं क्या? 2580 के आसपास जो ऑप्शन है वही आंसर होगा. ये देख के लग रहा है यही होगा.
3,109.
जो बाद में 15% सेकंड टाइम निकालना है वो 1200 पे निकालना है 2400.
So now we are going to find simple interest. So for simple interest, for next 4 months, what will be the principal amount?
10,580.
8,000 plus this 2580. This is the principal amount for next 4 months. So it's 10,580. Okay. Time period is 4 months. That is 4 by 12. होगा ना? Time will be 4 by 12.
For
And
this,
rate-
what will we take rate?
Rate is 15%.
Same thing.
Now you find simple interest. Because simple interest and compound interest, it will be same 4 महीने के लिए. Whether you find simple interest or you find compound interest, same ही बात है, because it's written compounded annually. लिखा हुआ है ना? When it is compounded annually, same period के लिए simple interest, compound interest is same. तो 4 महीने के लिए same ही रहेगा. मैं यहाँ CI ही लिख देता हूँ. So it will be principal into rate into time by 100. So principal is 10,580 into rate is 15 and time is 4 by 12. और इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए. तो क्या होगा? सॉल्व
529.
करेंगे तो दिस विल बी 3 times and 3 into 5 times. 5 into 20 times. 0 से 0 cancel and 2 से 529.
529.
Okay. So 529 is compound interest here. और पहले कितना था compound interest? 2580. What will be total compound interest?
3,109.
This one. Understood? कैसे किया हमने?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
So in this, how did we get 180?
Where 180? What is 15% of 1200?
Okay, sir.
15% of 1200. Interest, pay interest is called compound interest. It's 2580. And then we found compound interest for next 4 months. So 529 plus 2580 total sum करेंगे तो it will be 3109. That is our compound interest for 2 years and 4 months. Okay.
So sorry, I was solving. What is the answer?
It's 3109. Have you all covered brands and their parent company?
Yes, sir.
तो आप मुझे बताओ इस ब्रांड के पेरेंट कंपनी कौन है? PRK, PRX, बताओ।
Raymond.
Park Avenue.
Park Avenue and
Raymond.
ये तीनों की
Color Plus
पेरेंट
also
कंपनी
Raymond.
सेम है।
Raymond.
Yes, Raymond.
Raymond.
यस, करेक्ट।
So what is PCPA?
परसेंट पर एनम। इट्स परसेंट पर एनम, PCPA।
So for 3 years it was 3,2.
331, it's
331.
331। बहुत आसान है, इतना मुश्किल तो है नहीं। प्रिंसिपल इज गोइंग टू बी 25,000। इट्स कंपाउंडेड पर एनम की बात हो रही है, तो कंपाउंडेड एनुअली, सो टाइम विल बी 3 एंड रेट इज 12%। ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेप 3 मतलब फॉर्मूला विल बी 3 3 1। फर्स्ट स्टेप 12% ऑफ दिस अमाउंट, हाउ मच? 12% ऑफ दिस अमाउंट कितना?
3,000.
3,000।
3,000, sir.
3,000 into 3. Okay, 12% of 3,000?
360.
360.
360.
60. Okay, 12% of 360?
43.2.
43.2.
43.2. मैंने नहीं किया, मैं आई एम ट्रस्टिंग यू। सो दिस विल बी 9,000। ये
Yes,
कितना
sir.
हो जाएगा?
1080.
1080.
और ये
43.2.
सबको ऐड कर दीजिए, यू विल गेट द आंसर।
10,123.2.
ये होगा क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt anywhere? So for 3 years it's 331। हमने क्या करता है, हम पहले प्रिंसिपल का रेट परसेंट निकालते हैं, वो आया, उसका रेट परसेंट, जो भी आया उसका रेट परसेंट। अगर 4 टाइम होता तो इसका 12% हम निकालते। ठीक है, simple interest on a certain sum of money for 3 years at 8% per annum is half the compound interest on 4,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum। ऐसा लिखा हुआ है कि simple interest is half of compound interest, so simple interest is equal to compound interest divided by 2, ऐसा है। First you need to find the compound interest।
Sir,
Yes,
first sentence में 3 years at 8% per annum confuse करने के लिए दिया ना. Like the main thing is 4,000 for 2 years at 10%.
that is for compound interest. First part is simple interest, कंफ्यूज करने के लिए नहीं दिया है। पहले हम सेकेंड वाले पार्ट को सॉल्व करेंगे, देन विल सॉल्व फर्स्ट पार्ट quickly because you have another session from 9. Quickly, हमारे पास ज्यादा टाइम है नहीं। Tell me what is the compound interest? बहुत आसान है ये तो क्वेश्चन।
840.
पक्का?
840. Yes, sir.
840. Yes, sir.
It means simple interest will be 420.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you have to find principal when simple interest is given, time is given, rate is given. Can you find principal? Formula is SI. कल हमने सीखा था into 100 divided by rate into time.
सर
हाँ जी, यस।
ये 420 मिलने के बाद
हाँ, उसके बाद ये करना है, हमें प्रिंसिपल फाइंड करना है, उसके लिए ये फॉर्मूला लगाना है। हमें 840 मिला कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एंड इट इज गिवन दैट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज हाफ ऑफ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, सो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज 420 रुपीज।
So 1750.
अच्छा, वो आपके ऑप्शन में जो दिया है उस दिन से होगा कोई। सो एसआई के नाम पे लिखेंगे
1750.
या 420 into 100 divided by rate is 8% into 324.
so time okay right
Yeah, time is given 3 years. So answer will be 1750.
C. Sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Then solve this.
so here too they have given 1 year, so why you wrote 4641?
It's written compounded quarterly. So in 1 year, how many quarters are there?
4.
And what will be the rate?
20%. Oh no. 5.
20 divided by 4.
5%.
5%.
How 5?
So 1 year will become
4 quarter.
So this is
Oh.
here like in quarters, so still will take for 4641 only.
Yeah, yes.
we must divide time and rate by 4, right?
No, we multiply time and divide rate. सिंपल से बात बताओ ना, अगर 20% is for 1 year, how much for 3 months? 3 months is equal to 1 quarter. How much? 5%.
5%.
बस वही तो किया हमने। Is the answer correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
So because the quarter thing came, that's why we took 4641,
Yes,
right?
yes. Four quarter.
When quarter comes, we have to take 4641, right?
Yes. No. It will depend ki how many quarters. We had 4 quarters. That's why we took 4641. If we talk
If we
about the
have
first
3,
question, यहाँ भी quarter था. You can see it's quarter in first question. Can you see it's quarter? But how many quarters?
2 quarters.
2 quarters. That's why we took 2, 1. यहाँ पे 4 quarter है ना. If you see in this question, it's 1 year. 1 year is equal to 4 quarter. So it's 4. It's 4. Time is 4 unit. Right?
Yes, sir.
So when time is 4 unit, we have to take 4641.
सर 3 क्वार्टर भी हो सकता है क्या?
क्यों नहीं हो सकता? अगर टाइम 9 months रहे तब
सर
9
तो फिर
months
उसमें क्या लेंगे?
3 quarter 331. If time is 9 months quarterly तो 3 quarter हो जाएगा ना.
सर इसमें रेट कैसे?
See, simple interest for the first year and for the second year. Can we say that simple interest for the first year will be and then compound interest? क्या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए 20 रुपीज होगा और सेकेंड के लिए भी 20 होगा. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए इज इक्वल टू सिंपल इंटरेस्ट विच विल बी 20, सेकेंड के लिए 21.
सर
Can
आप
I say
अपने
this?
से बोल रहे हो?
नहीं ऐसा ही होगा, क्वेश्चन ऐसा लिखा हुआ है ना. You see how much is simple interest for 2 years?
It would be 40.
40 rupees. फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए 20 रुपीज बिकॉज वी नो दैट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज सेम. तो फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर सबके लिए सेम होगा. अगर 40 रुपीज है 2 years के लिए इट मीन्स 20 and 20 होगा ना.
यस सर, पर इससे रेट कैसे पता चलेगा?
चल जाएगा ना पता. ओके. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इज 20 and 21.
यस सर.
For first year compound is same, compound interest is same, and second year के लिए it is more 1 rupee ज़्यादा. Can we say that this 1 rupee extra is because of this 20 rupees in the first year?
Yes sir.
So this 1 rupee is because of 20 rupees into 100. So this will give you rate.
So shouldn't it be 20 divided by 2 into 100?
2 किधर से आया?
Sir, like for the first year जब compound interest करना होता है, then we do into 2 फिर into 1 for second year.
हमें कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट यहाँ दिया हुआ है, निकालना नहीं है. Compound interest is already given in the question. We do
Yes,
2 and 1 when we have to find. यहाँ तो already given है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why. This 1 rupee of interest is because of 20 rupees. 1 rupee is because of this 20 rupees. If you multiply with 100, you will get 8%.
So
Yes.
now for finding the sum, it's P is equal to SI into 100 by R into T, right?
P equal to SI into 100. हाँ, yeah, correct.
तो इसमें मुझे 40 आ रहा है.
40 क्यों आएगा?
40 into 100 by 5 into 2.
5 into 2. हाँ, 5 into 2 is 10.
सर मैंने कहीं और कुछ नंबर ले लिया.
You have to find principal, which is equal to simple interest for 2 years is 40 rupees into 100 into rate into time. हाँ, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या आएगा?
400.
400.
बस वही तो आंसर है. 400 is the answer.
Sir, could you explain that part like 28 1 rupees because of 20%?
आप देख रहे हो ना, सेकेंड ईयर में 1 रुपया ज्यादा है. मैं आपको
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट समझाता हूँ. कैन यू सी दैट फर्स्ट ईयर में इंटरेस्ट वाज 10, सेकेंड में इट वाज 11.
Yes, sir.
And this 11 was because of this 10 rupees.
Yes, sir.
अगर ये 100 होता यहाँ भी तो 10 रुपी फिर से आता, बट यहाँ 110 हो गया क्योंकि ये जो 10 रुपी फर्स्ट ईयर का इंटरेस्ट था वो इसके साथ ऐड हो गया.
Yes, sir.
सेम चीज यहाँ पे हुआ है ना. बिल्कुल यहाँ भी यही हुआ है. यहाँ जो फर्स्ट ईयर का इंटरेस्ट था 20 रुपीज, वो प्रिंसिपल जो 400 था उसमें ऐड हो गया. सो दिस 1 रुपी extra in interest is because of this 20 rupees, right? That's a 1 by 20 into 100.
Yes, sir.
सर 40 का और 41 का सम 20 + 20 और 20 + 21 जरूरी तो नहीं है.
हाँ, ऐसा ही होगा ना. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट हमेशा सेम होता है, तो 20 + 20 is 40 and this is 41. एंड फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, तो ये भी 20 होगा फर्स्ट ईयर में. ये तो जरूरी है.
ओके सर.
कल हमने सीखा था ना, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज सेम फॉर ईच ईयर.
So I understood that the difference will be 1, 41 minus 40, and then it should be 1 divided by 20 into 100.
That will give rate percent. Rate.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
When you know the rate, time, and simple interest, you can find principal.
Yes, sir.
Who is the parent company of Flipkart?
Walmart.
Walmart.
Yes, Walmart.
So do we have to learn founder?
Of Indian companies, obviously. Who is the founder of Sugar Cosmetics? Sugar Cosmetics के फाउंडर कौन है? जैसे फागुनी नायर तो सबको पता है, नायका. इसका भी पता कीजिए.
So Vinita Singh.
Yes, Vinita Singh. Vinita Singh.
I guess he came into the Shark Tank India.
Yes. Vinita Singh, the founder of Sugar Cosmetics.
So do we have to learn like ऐसे reality shows? Shark
नहीं
Tank जैसे?
नहीं
Okay,
नहीं
sir.
Okay, the simple interest, what is principal in this?
900.
120 into 100 divided by 16.
750.
750. This is the principal. Rate is
It should be 120 equal to 8 into 2. Understood, sir.
now you find the compound interest for this. So we'll multiply with 2 and then 1 because time is 2. 750 का 8% कितना होगा?
60.
60.
60 का 8%?
4.8.
4.8.
120 and 4.8. कितना हो जाएगा?
124 points.
That is the answer. Option 1. Last question. Okay. अब यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको बताते हूँ मैं. Can you see rate is has changed? For the first year it's 5%, for the second year is 8%. So what will be the one rate? So do you remember percentage chapter we did something like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर आप
Yes,
ये
sir.
करेंगे तो 2 साल के लिए एक रेट क्या होगा वो आपको निकल जाएगा. We call it SR, successive rate. ये कीजिए तो आपको एक रेट मिल जाएगा.
So that will be used for both the years together?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Then you just have to multiply with the principal with that rate, you will get the answer.
सर x and y को क्या लेना है?
X को लेना है 5, लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Y को लेना है 8. Percentage 24. 24 किधर से आया? What will be the rate? 13.4%. ये होगा ना? Now you have to find compound interest. So compound interest is equal to principal into SR. Compound interest is equal to principal into successive rate. बस हो गया. Solve this. What is principal?
8,000.
8,000 को 13.4% से multiply कीजिए, you will get the answer. What is the answer?
1072.
1072.
1072 is correct.
1,072.
Correct.
और
Yes.
ये क्या है आफ्टर 13.4% क्या करना है?
हाँ, ये ऐसे कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट निकालना है. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इज आल्सो इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल इनटू सक्सेसिव रेट.
ओके
बस.
टिल हियर इज 800.
8,000 into 13.4 by 100.
ओके
We can apply this trick anywhere. अभी 2 साल आया है ना, जहां भी वहां पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो. जैसे in this question also. Can you see time is 2 quarter? So यहाँ भी SR method apply कर सकते हो. तो you have to take 8% 2 times. X का वैल्यू भी 8, Y का वैल्यू भी 8, तब भी आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. Try this. You have 2 minutes left for the.
So what is the answer for the
1072.
yes sir.
1072 is the answer. जैसे वहाँ 8% था ना, 8% अगर आप 2 बार लो तब भी आंसर आ जाएगा. जैसे in this question, if I take SR का वैल्यू क्या होगा in this question?
इधर हमको क्या जरूरत है, ये तो हमने कर लिया था परसेंट लेके 3.64.
और हमें निकालना है कंपाउंड, मल्टीप्लाई विथ 10,000 दिस.
So we can use this method anywhere where we have quarters.
No, where your time is 2.
Quarter
Where time is 2.
time is 2.
Time is 2 unit. Whenever time is 2 unit, you can use this method, SR, successive rate. Now you have another session from 9 p.m. Akhilesh sir will be taking the class. Okay.
I like to be okay.
No, we have just 2 minutes. So okay, so we will be winding up this session. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll do speed, time and distance tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir. Bye sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.